Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. My name is Ellen and welcome to Vlogmas 2025, day 11. It's December 11th. The month is flying by, and I will be opening yarn today, my two advents, one from Tangled Poets in Canada and the other from Crystal Bag O'Day's hand-dyed yarn and on her Etsy shop. I do not have any finished projects today because I've been a little busy. 'Tis the season. A lot of things happening. So, but I did want to show you a finished project that I made probably a month and a half, 2 months ago. Yesterday I had opened Crystal's, this was the Advent opening from yesterday. This was day 10, and the colorway is Marigold, 100% mulberry, grade A mulberry silk. It's a one weight, 437 yards per hank. It's absolutely luxurious. That's stunning, luxurious yarn. That's the only thing I could say. I don't think there's any better word to describe how beautiful this yarn is. The base, the color, everything. But when I opened it, I said, oh, this really looks familiar. You know, the yarn base, I could see how beautiful it was. And I was right, because I have worked with this before. So I'm going to show you the project that I completed with it. And actually, this is the color. I have another hank of it. It's tonal lilac. Look how beautiful. And anybody who watches my channel, you know that purples are obviously, anything in the purple range is my favorite. But this is lilac, tonal lilac, in the same base. Okay, and actually, this would look lovely together. All those jewel tones. Yeah, I'm thinking I may do something with the three of them together for my next project. So let me show you what I did complete with actually two hanks of that beautiful mulberry silk. I did the Sis Love Shawl. Okay, this pattern is by Joanna Grieslak. Okay, it's a stunning pattern, beautiful to work with. You know, I don't know if I have it the right. Yeah, I have the right side. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful pattern. I will link it below. This is the Sis Love home. This is the homemade Sis Love. That she has a crescent. I believe she has a rectangle, and she also has the triangular, and the Sis Love, I don't know what you would call it. It's, you know, her patterns, I don't know, what would you call it? Compilation? Yeah, something like that. But just beautiful. And I don't know if you could see how beautiful. It's just a luxurious shawl. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this one, I gift a lot of my shawls. This one will not be gifted. This one will be staying with me. Yeah, because I just love it. And I haven't even blocked it as yet, because, you know, I won't be using this probably for maybe till the spring, and, you know, with the holiday and everything around. But even though I haven't blocked it, it's still fabulous. And once I do block it and the stitches open up even more, it'll be even more luxurious. But yeah, and I loved working with this yarn. It's just, yeah, just beautiful. So that's the mulberry silk and Crystal Bag O'Day's hand-dyed mulberry silk yarn, tonal lilac. So okay, so what else? I'm gonna open up my yarn, but I wanted to, my daughter was over and she was looking at my, what do I call my yarn? I don't call it my stash. I call it my collection, because I asked her to pick out yarn that she would want me to make something for her. And I had my little sweater, my fabric, what would we call this? Shaver, fabric shaver. Finish your coffee. So this is the best investment I've ever made in regards to caring for fabric. It is wireless, you charge it, and I've got this on Amazon, and I am in no way an affiliate for Amazon, but I will leave the link below for this. I think it was maybe $11 or $12. I think you can even get some of them cheaper now. This one, the brand was Cold Sky, but it's wonderful. And you just empty it. I don't want to do it that way. I will have some shreds. And for any of those little pills that you may get on your sweaters or, you know, any fabric, it's great. So that's my PSA for today, my public service announcement. Okay, so let's get to the fun stuff, the yarn opening. I will be opening two, day 11, Tangled Poets, and my day 11 from Crystal Bag O'Day, which is actually marked day 23, because I wanted to open them together. I just couldn't wait to, yeah, I can't wait. And I know once I get closer to Christmas and the holiday, you know, life will be very, very busy. I still have baking to do. Yeah. Anyhow, okay, so this is day 11 for my Tangled Poets, and very beautiful. It still have some purple in there and some charcoal and the lighter blue. Yeah, kind of like a Caribbean blue now. I'm seeing Caribbean blue. Beautiful. Lovely yarn. Just love it. So I'm going to put this on my dowel. We're getting to the end. Look at all that beautiful yarn. Okay, this is Tangled Poets, and this is their 30-gram hanks. I believe those that that ordered the larger advent were given full-size hanks of these same mini skeins, but I opted for the smaller advent from Tangled Poets. But these are beautiful. Just love them. So that's my Tangled Poets, day 1 through 11. Okay, so now I'm going to open my day 11 from Crystal Bag O'Day. So excited to open another beautiful, and there's definitely more than one in here, and I hope you're enjoying. I will do a compilation video for, you know, all those that I've opened once my advents are done. Still haven't decided when I'm gonna open the big one, because oh, there's actually 3 in here. Because yeah, I don't know if I want to wait till Christmas, but I don't know if I can wait. I honestly don't know. Oh. Okay, wow. Sorry about the crinkle. This is pure luxury yak. It's 50% yak. I don't know that I've ever had yak. Maybe, I'm not sure. And 50% silk. It's 218 yards, 50 grams per hank. It's a sport weight number 2, and the color is au natural. So this is natural, beautiful. I just love it. Look at that gray. That is natural yak color. Beautiful. Wow. I didn't think that we could get any softer than the silk, but we can. We can get softer than they're getting softer and softer. Okay, this is all natural, pure luxury yak. Yes, this is luxury. Beautiful. Can you see how beautiful that is? Charcoal. Beautiful. I just love it. Every day. I don't know what the last day is going to bring. Can it get any better? I don't know. Love all of Crystal's yarns, and all of her bases are just magnificent, stunning. And I love the au natural. Beautiful. So, this is my Tangle Poet so far. And here we are. My bag is getting full. Wow. With my, look at all that luxury yarn. Yeah, somebody pinch me. Somebody pinch me. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's opening and my Sis Love Shawl. I have, there is a video on this, about this on my channel, and I will link the pattern below if you are interested in doing the Sis Love Shawl. I think Erin from Crafting Kitty will also be working the Sis Love Shawl. I think she's working up a lot of shawls. She has a, every day she does a different theme, and I think she has a shawl theme. But yeah, this is my Sis Love with Crystal Bag O' Days. Mulberry Silk, Tonal Lilac was the color. And I hope everyone is having a wonderful week and that you have a great day. And I will see you tomorrow on the next opening. Take care. Bye now.